What are irrigation fittings? They connect your irrigation system together. The type and size you need depends on how you choose to water your garden, whether it's pop-ups for your lawn or drip tube for your garden bed. There are elbows, T's, joiners, plugs, directors, locking clamps, connectors, and more. Each fitting plays its part to connect the poly pipe to your irrigation system and make it watertight. Choosing the right fittings for your irrigation system is easier than you think. Barbed fittings connect the poly pipe or drip tube, such as drip ease, together. You can use stainless steel locking clamps to make the connection extra secure and watertight. Threaded fittings are used to tightly connect components so they don't leak. They're often used to connect threaded risers or to screw on a pop-up. Some fittings have both barbed and threaded ends for different uses. A director is used to screw onto a solenoid valve, and its barbed end connects to the poly pipe. If you're installing drip irrigation, you'll most likely be working with 13mm fittings, poly pipe and drip ease. If you want to branch off the main system to target individual plants, you can use 4mm fittings and pipe. If you're installing a pop-up sprinkler system, you'll need 19 or 25mm fittings and 19 or 25mm poly pipe to direct the water flow to the pop-up sprinkler. See our other videos to learn more about garden irrigation.